This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Sharon Baker. Beautiful 2-story, end-unit condo with fresh paint, gorgeous floors throughout with hardwood on stairs and a renovated kitchen with stunning granite, extended bar with wine cooler, subway tile backsplash and space-saving laundry/pantry area. The master bedroom with vaulted ceiling is light and bright and offers an updated ensuite bathroom with an attractive new double vanity. The second bedroom with vaulted ceiling has an adjacent hall bathroom. Great location which is conveniently close to a supermarket, restaurants and stores, Route 199, Colonial Williamsburg, Jamestown and much more. Lafontaine offers a community pool for summertime fun. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Baker at 75